Low-slope roofs might sound simple, but choosing the right materials and methods is super important to keep your home dry and safe. So, here's the deal with low-slope roofs. They're not truly flat, just barely angled so water can run off. You want to pick materials that handle this kind of surface well. Asphalt and modified asphalt are pretty common because they're tough and easy to apply on site. There's also coal tar pitch, which is kind of old school but still used sometimes. Then you have sheet-applied membranes like modified bitumen or PVC, which come in big sheets and cover the roof fast, reducing chances for leaks. Fluid-applied materials are kind of a wild card. People use them, but experts usually don't recommend them for low-slope roofs since they can be tricky and prone to defects. When you go for manufactured roofing systems, these are designed to avoid those site-applied mistakes that cause leaks and damage later on. A good tip is always to check if your contractor uses materials that match the roof's slope and climate conditions. And remember, proper installation is just as important as the material itself. Don't cut corners there. One of the biggest mistakes with low-slope roofing is using the wrong material for the slope, like trying to go fully flat without proper drainage. This leads to pooling water and leaks, so fix it by making sure the roof has at least a slight pitch and using materials designed for low-slope surfaces. Another common issue is poor installation, especially with site-applied materials. You want to hire contractors who know their stuff and follow manufacturer guidelines closely to avoid premature failures. Finally, ignoring maintenance is a huge problem. Low-slope roofs need regular inspections to catch small issues before they turn into costly repairs, so schedule checks at least twice a year and after heavy storms. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really get roofing right. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people looking for their services, so everyone wins when it comes to getting your low-slope roof done right.